Hey everybody, this is eyeonstuff. Today I will be doing an unbagging, not an unboxing, but I will be unbagging each of these MREs to show you what you get. Note that I won't be eating anything. Okay, the first one on the left is an original military issue MRE. This one weighs 1 pound 9.8 ounces. The next one in the see-through packaging is made by SOPAKCO. This is a civilian MRE. Note that SOPAKCO also produces MREs for the military, similar to the one to its left. This one weighs 1 pound 8.8 ounces. The next one is a civilian MRE. This one happens to be the 1000 XT, which gives you about 1000 calories. This one weighs about 1 pound 2.4 ounces. The last one on the right is also a civilian MRE made by MRE Star. Note that the last two, MRE and MRE Star, they usually contain their own branded components, and you'll see that later on. And I know that there are many other manufacturers of MREs. This happens to be the sample that I have. So let's start unbagging. Okay, the first one is the military issue MRE. This one happens to be menu number 3. It's made by AmeriQual Packaging. It's chicken, noodles, and vegetables in sauce. Now all of these have peelable seals, and most of them have a date code. Happens to be 6147, which is the 147th day of the year 2016. And these usually have a shelf life of about 5 years, depending on how it's stored. Okay, this second packaging is pretty easy to unpackage here. Okay, the first component should be the main entree. This happens to be chicken and noodles. I believe the date code is 6110. Here's the sleeve for the main entree. Here are diced pears. Date code of 6069. Here's the accessory pack. Open up that later. This one has Skittles. And the date code on here, or actually it's August 2017. Peanut butter. 6062. Okay, these are standard MRE crackers. Date code 6075. Carbohydrate electrolyte beverage powder, orange. Date code 6078. Blackberry jam 6109. Standard MRE spoon. Pepper sauce. Standard military flameless ration heater. Hot beverage bag. Okay, in the accessory packet, date code 6131. chewing gum, matches, non-dairy creamer, instant coffee, standard military issue TP or toilet paper or tissue, iodized salt, sugar, and lastly, a moist towelette. So this is what you get in the original military issue MRE menu 3. Okay, next one is the SOPAKCO civilian MRE. Let's unbag this. This is also a peelable seal. First item is, looks like standard issue crackers, date code 7314. An accessory packet, MRE spoon, fresh nap, coffee instant type 3, iodized salt and pepper, 2 packs of sugar, coffee mate, and a napkin. That's what's in the accessory pack. Next is carbohydrate electrolyte beverage powder orange. Looks standard issue. Date code 7303. Strawberry jam. Date code 7262. Two strawberry jams. There's a side cherry blueberry cobbler. Nice. Date code 7305. Okay, we have a chocolate pudding dessert powder. Date code 7195. Pretty hefty. The main entree, chicken burrito bowl. Date code 7313. Here's the sleeve. And one thing I noticed, this did not come with a flameless ration heater. The SOPAKCO civilian MRE, and this is what it came with. Next up is the civilian XMRE 1000 XT. This also has a peelable seal. A lot easier than the others. Okay. Okay, first off, let's take a look at the accessory pack. Looks very similar to the SOPAKCO. Standard MRE spoon. Coffee mate. Fresh nap. Coffee instant type 2. pepper and iodized salt, sugar, and a napkin. Next item. This is beverage-based powder orange in a smaller pouch. Date code 8192. This is a lot newer than the SOPAKCO. Now this is what I mentioned earlier. MRE comes with its own branded components. MRE Pilot bread crackers. Peanuts. (2018) 212th day of 2018. This is the main entree, beef stew, date code 7294. Standard military flameless ration heater. This is the sleeve for the beef stew and the nutrition facts. And the last item for the MRE is cheese spread. This one has a date code of 7296. Okay, this was the Civilian MRE 1000 XT, and this is what you got. Okay, this is the last unbagging. This is the Civilian MRE from MRE Star. This also has a peelable seal. All right. Okay, let's take a look at the accessory pack first. Napkin. Deep Rich Instant Coffee. Standard plastic spoon. Salt and pepper. Moist towelette. Non-dairy creamer. Cane sugar. Some hot sauce. And some Smarties. Look at the other components. Comes with a grape flavored drink mix. Nut and raisin mix from MRE Star. Sugar cookies from MRE Star. Tortillas. Lastly, the main entree, which is spicy vegetarian chili with vegetarian meat crumbles. Let's take a look at the pouch. Here's the retort pouch. Looks like it has a date code of 2018, which is 18072, 72nd day of 2018. Okay, this was the MRE Star Civilian MRE. And this is what you got. Now note that a lot of these civilian MREs out there, there's deluxe versions and there's like standard versions of MREs. So this MRE Star This is probably the kind of like the standard basic MRE. There might be a more deluxe version where it came with a side and some more components and a flameless ration heater, and this one did not come with one. So that was my unbagging of 4 different MREs, 1 being military issue, 3 of them being civilian. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much and have a great day.